Belgaum is celebrating the 100th century celebration of Mahatma Gandhi, was a All India Congress Committee president. From here, he started some of the major issues, programs for the Congress party. Almost, it was the Belgaum which gave a directions to the Congress party for the further freedom struggle under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. In Belgaum, Mahatma Gandhi started movement against the untouchability, and in Belgaum we had started Sevadal, because in 1923 in Kakinada it was decided to start Sevadal, but in 1924 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, the Sevadal started doing social work, cleaning the toilets along by the upper caste people, and he gave a message against the untouchability. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first chairman of the All India Congress Sevadal, and Mr. Nasu Hardikar is the organizing secretary of the Sevadal. He hails from Belgaum. So it's a very unique festival for the people, especially for the congressmen here in Belgaum.